Hi, nice to see you all again in Enchantment with Angel. Are you bored of having the same kind of idli every time? Well, it's time to try out this enchanting spot idli. It's a famous Hyderabadi street food. In the dosa tawa, add one finely chopped onion, one finely chopped tomatoes, and one green chilli. Add some coriander leaves, 2 teaspoons of butter. Mix well till the butter is melted. Once the butter is melted, it's time to add the spices. Half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder, quarter spoon of turmeric powder, and quarter spoon of garam masala. You can add salt at this stage if you are using unsalted butter. Once it's all fried well, add a splash of water. Now divide this into equal portions. Now add some idli batter on each portion. If the idli batter is little watery and losing its shape, gently bring it together. Now sprinkle some idli powder. Now cover and cook this on a low heat. When you think it's cooked, gently flip it over. Cook for a minute and your delicious pot idli is ready to be served. Do try out this delicious recipe. I'm sure you'll do it again and again. So until we meet again, bye. Happy cooking.